Today I'm going to show you how to clean your dishwasher filter. Twist to unlock and pull out the grate and the filter. You can see here my filter is gunked up with chia seeds. Ew. Load up a cleaning brush with Blue Dawn and give it a good scrub inside out. Fresh and clean. Do the same thing with the grate. Use your cleaning brush to scrub each side of the grate and inside the tube. Fresh and clean. Now you can put your parts back in the dishwasher. Start with the filter and then with the grate and make sure to lock it in place.